This video is going to go over some of the navigation and organization of the family history template. I'm going to load the template. And of course, all of this is based on the idea that you have a Canva profile. So if you don't, go to canva.com, create a profile there. It's free. And then you purchase this template from us, and then you can begin working on your project. So right off, first thing to notice are these blue divider sheets. These are placed throughout the template and they're inserted to help you navigate quickly to the pages that you need as you're working on your project. Okay, so the first one, cover title page selection. So these are the covers. We've created 4 themes. All of them are ready to go. So you can pick one theme and know that there are pages consistent in keeping with that theme in each of these sections. So if you pick this white theme, these pages match. If you pick this greenish colored theme, these pages match. So that's set up throughout. But these divider sheets, so section 1 here was the covers. And then the next section, family tree layouts. And it's going to highlight the difference here, black outline, white background. So here's the white background with these black outline. And then the next section, family tree layouts. Only in this one, we've got colored background with black outline. And then the last type of family tree layouts are white outline with black background. So pretty simple, just 3 sections of family tree layouts, keeping with the themes. The next section, family member biography story layouts. And like I mentioned, these are going to match consistency with the themes. So if you liked the black with the white outlines, you would pick that and these. And the difference here would be this is all text heavy with no photo. Here you have some photo spots and text. And then just different formats. This is where you would populate your family member's life sketch, their bio, whatever you want to put in there about them. The next section, additional photo layouts. So let's say you have a particular family member who has a lot of content you want to put in, and then you also have like a lot of photos. Then you can add another page of photos highlighting this person's life experiences. And these come pre-made on the template in different formats, and they can also be customized to your preference in placement on the page. And then, so that was all keeping with the dark theme. Okay, and then there are different pages, just divider sheets in the template itself to indicate additional pictures and stories of family members. And if we were picking the theme like we've been using, we would stick with that one. And then lastly, an ending credit page and back cover layouts. So we like this because it is a nice little ribbon, a little bow on the project. And, you can give credit to yourself for creating this book for your family, collecting all the information for your family, and producing this. Give yourself a little pat on the back here if you'd like. And that is the basic navigation of the template. So pretty straightforward with these sections.